Hi, this is Andrea.
Hi, this is Tapsi.
Hi, this is Kirti Kulhari.
And you are watching Bollywood Hangama.
Well, we have with us the three dynamite girls of Pink with us, Tapsi, Kirti and Andrea. Huge pleasure to have you back, all you guys on Bollywood Hangama, you for the first time.
Yes.
And it's a very, very interesting subject that you're having and very interesting dialogues as well. How was the experience of working in something like this?
Well, it was hard hitting, of course, as much as for you, for us as well. To do those things there in front of the camera was as hard hitting as you felt it when you saw the trailer.
Right.
And yeah, I mean, it changed a lot of things in us
When we were doing the film.
played with our minds. It helped us, work as a unit at the same time as well. So there were turmoil of emotions when we were shooting this film, and the subject, I'm sure, is close to all of us, including the cast and the crew. That's why we were all so together working in that one direction, because we so strongly felt for this subject. So that's it. I mean, that's our experience of shooting the film. I mean, for the rest is up to you to see it and see if you enjoy it as much as we enjoy doing it.
Now, you are, I think, a student of journalism and mass media from what I understand. How was this experience for you? Because you're having a subject which is has been raging as far as India is concerned for some time now. Like, say, women's safety and women empowerment and all these issues. So how do you look at it, maybe from a student of journalism for that matter?
Well, I did do a diploma in journalism which and mass comm, which wasn't as elaborate as जैसा लोग journalists actually जितनी पढ़ाई करते हैं मैंने उतना नहीं किया था.
जी.
I just wanted to experience as to what this subject is like, and that's why I did it. Do you want me to specifically answer as like a student of journalism, which
Student of journalism and like
I think as
and
a woman,
yourself,
I think
yeah.
as a woman, that's the best way to sort of, I can speak through my experiences and what I've seen and what I've experienced. You're right. This issue is an issue, and it's been around for a long time. एंड काफ़ी चीज़ें बदली भी हैं पिछले कुछ सालों में, लेकिन बहुत चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, बहुत अपने वक्त से आ रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट देयर इज़ I don't feel an urgency about it, and I always believe and I've always felt कि जिस चेंज की हम बात करते हैं, जिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की हम बात करते हैं, वो जब तक इंसान की सोच अंदर से नहीं बदलेगी, which includes we, you, me, them, everybody who's a part of the society, everybody who has a family, who has kids, who has parents, the soch needs to change. The thinking of everyone needs to change from within to really bring about a change in the attitude towards women, towards how they are judged, towards the idea of equality and freedom. So I think ये फिल्म मेरे ख्याल से उस डायरेक्शन में बहुत बड़ा कदम होगा, क्योंकि हमने ये सब छोटी चीज़ें जो हमने खुद एक्सपीरियंस की हैं एज गर्ल्स, एज वुमेन, जो हमने देखी हैं, जो हमारी पूरी टीम ने देखी हैं, एंड which is a lot of people, we have tried to fit it all together in this one film called Pink, in a very subtle, in a very what do you say, बहुत ही सहजता से हम उसको प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं in the form of a story in Pink. ना कोई भाषणबाजी है, ना कोई नारेबाजी है, ना कोई we are not fighting for anything. We are just telling you to be in our shoes, the three of us.
Bit more empathetic towards them.
Just be in our shoes and experience our world through Pink. And शायद आप में कुछ बदलाव आए जो हमेशा के लिए.
Okay, now when Piyush Mishra's character tells you that since when have you been soliciting, I think that's the dialogue. It has
What
a
do you
shock
say,
value.
Andrea, after that?
I do nothing of this sort.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it has that shock value somewhere. Do you feel that it's the way women can be subjected at times in terms of the sort of questions that can be asked? They can be like rather disrespectful, and it can just totally put up anyone off guard, and maybe it's a deterrent for a lot of other women to maybe just speak out of what they've been through. Do you feel that? Yes.
Yeah, I do feel that us as women, we do. People do judge us a lot for every small little thing that we do.
But actually, this keeping ourselves there in the Katgara and answering those questions in front of 100 people, like the people who've actually, girls who've actually gone through as a victim, I don't think even we can explain how it is because we haven't gone through that.
In fact, you have. I was coming to you. You have, say, 2 dialogues of Mr. Bachchan. When he says that, "Are you a virgin?" and the way
Well, there are a lot
reaction
more
is.
when you see the film.
I'm sure that there must be, and then the dialogue that has been spoken about a lot, discussed a lot. I spoke to Mr. Bachchan about that as well. That you're a woman of questionable character. It can throw anyone off guard completely. That your character is being subjected to such minute scrutiny, and it's just being totally tarnished. Do you feel that this movie will just trigger a lot of debates, and a lot of people will discuss various aspects of it?
We want them to. That's precisely why we made the film. We would love it if they would discuss it. That's the reason. See, in the film, like how Kirti said, we have not tried to preach anything that this is good and this is how it should be. We are just showing you the bare reality, how things happen. Whatever you've heard in the trailer or when you see the film, the courtroom drama that happens, the questions that are asked, the answers those are given, they're all going to be extremely, extremely as real as it gets when there's a session court going on.
Yeah, they don't hold back.
Yeah,
It's like
so
full on.
it's like, there was one interesting saying, I don't know who said it, but I heard it during our preparation and all. When you go through this molestation or these kind of crimes, when you're a victim of that happens once. But when you go to a court, every session you're going to be verbally going through the same
Right.
molestation.
Correct.
So that is what you're going to be going. That's what we're showing in the film, and then it's up to you to.
Like what really happened?
Yeah, you're going to take back a lot of things, and that's exactly. We are not going to tell you this is right, this is wrong. We're just going to leave everything open for you. It's going to be an open book. This is what the reality is. Now it's up to you what you're going to infer out of it.
But that's also the reason why so many cases are not reported. Because people, the women involved, their families involved can see and know of the humiliation that they will have to go through as a family, as a woman for the rest of their lives. Like whether starting from the police people till what happens in the court, till your fate is decided, all you do is everything is like just exposed to the world as if.
So that one line was nothing compared to the kind of questions that are asked in the court. So that one line is just one very small part of it. There are a lot of these questions asked there which make you feel molested every single day.
In fact, I think that's what the intention seems to be initially, from what we gathered from the promo, that even maybe you don't want to report it, I believe. Is that the case?
Well,
that's what you will find out in the film.
I mean, there's a combination of the three of us live together. Three of us have different perspectives on what's going on, what we should do, and all of that. So yeah, that's surely a part of the film where there are different opinions and people.
We'll discuss it and show it to you how the discussions really happen when such a crime is to be reported. Someone favors, someone doesn't favor. You'll see in the film.
Great. Okay, yeah, now since we have a bit of a less time, so let's do also something that maybe something which
Fun.
is not
Slightly not so sad, not so
Please be our guest. We are looking forward to it.
Yeah, now in fact we have this quiz which is like, how well do you know Amitabh Bachchan?
Oh no, I'm going to fail miserably. You are still allowed to work with me.
So basically, whoever knows, it's simple questions, simple answers. It's quite easy actually.
Do we get a
So then let's give Kirti the prize already.
read his book. No.
Not his book, but you at least know about the movies. I don't even know what
No,
that.
I'm sure that you'll fare quite well. You're being very modest.
No,
actually.
I'm
trust
telling you,
me.
she'll
I'm
learn
anything.
first.
I am anything but modest.
Okay,
Trust
so
me.
Let's start. Whoever knows the answer, you just have to just rattle it
Answer.
out. Alright, so how well do you know Amitabh Bachchan? We are playing with Kirti, Tapsi and Andrea. So Amitabh Bachchan has the name Bhaskar Banerjee in 2 films. Name those films.
Piku.
That is one.
I don't know the other one.
He added in 2 of them?
Yeah.
I'm so bad.
Give me half a point. Give me half a point.
Anand.
Oh my god. Wow, Anand and Piku. Oh my god.
Okay.
Like decades later.
Alright, name the movie in which Amitabh Bachchan performed a triple role.
I know.
It's like great if you translate it into Hindi.
Mahan.
Yeah.
See, I knew Kirti.
I just translated great.
1.5 and you have to catch up. Amitabh
I will
Bachchan.
try.
Amitabh Bachchan has done double role in numerous films. Name any two of them.
What is that?
Double role.
South film ka remake ya? What is that film? Is that the film?
Like Sun.
Some, yeah, something like that.
Sun.
Suryavansham.
Suryavansham.
So,
Half.
नहीं ये तो तू ले ले यार.
No, it's okay, half.
चलो 1 point,
you know,
1.5.
actually she said first. So I think-
So give it to her.
But see,
so
she
let's be
completed
realistic. Let's be realistic. No, you know, actually we can't.
Let's
Yeah. So
tagline for this.
Let's be real.
two. No,
Let's
but
be
you know,
realistic.
you still haven't given the second one. You only have given one.
So कितने दिन है?
दो.
अच्छा 2 दिन है. Which is the other one? Sir, double role किसने किया था सर आपने?
Like a superstar has done a
Shahenshaह.
remake of that as well.
No, Shansha wasn't double role.
अच्छा, sorry.
Superstar is an Agnipath.
No.
I know.
English sounding name?
ये सारे तो क्लू दे दिए फारिदून.
अरे आपको भी तो दे रहा
मेरे
हूँ
को तो नहीं, तब भी नहीं आएंगे मेरे को.
English
मैं. English sounding name, yeah.
Recent film?
पुरानी film. In fact, like a sequel has been made in the recent times. 2 films have been made now.
3 नहीं.
नहीं यार बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा.
Dawn.
Oh,
There can be Adalat, there can be बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ.
God.
Even
बड़े
you
मियाँ,
get
छोटे मियाँ.
you get half as well. So it's like 1.5. It's getting very difficult now.
Half.
And you have to.
Just
Zero.
exclude me out of the game.
Okay, what is Amitabh Bachchan's actual surname?
I read this in his book.
You did?
And you're the only one who was knowing it.
Rai Bachchan.
No. Srivastav.
नहीं.
Srivastav.
हाँ, बच्चन is something that
Okay,
his father.
what is Amitabh Bachchan's debut film?
Mumbai to Goa. Bombay to Goa.
नहीं. वो तो जया मैम के साथ थी जो यार सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे.
Bombay to Goa was
There's
his first-
3,
the
there's
one-
seven.
Vansi and something.
सत्ते पे सत्ता. तो 3-7 what?
3 उनके भी एक फिल्म आई थी. मेरे अगर जैसे आप 7 बोलें तो.
सात something. नहीं.
Indians?
नहीं.
Hindustani.
यार छोड़ो यार.
सात हिंदुस्तानी.
यार
Oh
छोड़ो
shit,
यार.
It's
सात
like, you know,
हिंदुस्तानी.
frankly speaking, actually. Okay, true or false? Amitabh Bachchan was the first Asian actor to have a wax model displayed at Madame Tussauds London.
True.
So I think she has.
Can I get half a point?
Yeah, like
Half a point at least.
Yeah, please give her one na. Please. Okay, chal half.
Half.
हाँ.
You have become 1.
1.5. Listen, 1. Okay, 1. हाँ. I was
1 half, and you're 1.5.
1.5.
Okay, name any 2 films in which Amitabh Bachchan's character was named as Vijay.
दीवार. Zanjeer.
Finish. She's
त्रिशूल.
No. Diwar is fine.
कभी कभी नहीं ना कभी कभी wasn't विजय.
Sorry,
दीवार.
I give up.
अग्निपथ.
I'm not
Let's
trying.
discuss something
Yes,
else.
yes.
Both of us.
Okay, so 2.5, 1 and half. Okay.
ये true or false छोड़ना
2
था.
more questions which are like extremely simple.
Yeah.
In which movie Amitabh Bachchan got critically injured?
Kuli.
पुली.
So
इतना तो पता है मेरे को बताओ.
2.5. and-
Current affairs तो पता है मेरे को.
So it's like you guys are catching up.
Nah,
There's
I'm
one more
right.
question to go, and you can actually score a point.
can
It's,
actually
it's,
win,
it's
yeah.
quite simple. On October 11, 2016, Amitabh Bachchan will turn to how many years?
76.
75.
75.
75.
When is his birth year?
That I don't know, but he turned 75. I calculated.
75.
942, so it's like 74.
He's
Oh,
turning
74. I thought he's already
I thought he's
74.
already 74. हमें गलत information दी सर ने हम क्या करें?
But it's 1942, like he's born.
We are
in-
not supposed to calculate. Sir said 74. So हमें लगा हो गया.
क्या उन्होंने लगता है 2016
बहुत बार
स्टार्ट
क्या
होते
होता है
सारे
जिस
अपने आप
जिस
को.
ईयर में आप रनिंग होते हैं ना तो उसको वो
yeah,
बोलते
वो हमें समझ
हैं. So
नहीं आया.
technically,
Aditi!
realistically, she has got a very.
Realistically.
Thank you
And
realistically.
Taapsee
आज
has.
सर बहुत खुश होंगे. खुश तो बहुत हो गए तुम. कि खुश तो बहुत हो
इतने
गए
गंदे
तुम.
मार्क्स आए हम सबको इतने दुखी हो गए
मतलब 2
Okay,
2.5.
in fact, we have you guys can still redeem yourselves. So we'll play.
Oh my God, ये क्या है?
Yeah. So we'll play rapid fire with you guys.
Oh
quickly.
no, ये भी सर के बारे में है तो फिर मैं
No,
हार
it's not.
जाऊंगी.
It's not about. It's like your perception.
अच्छा,
You have
फिर
to-
ठीक है.
So rapid fire with Taapsee. If not pink, what will be your favorite color?
White.
A life lesson learned from Amitabh Bachchan.
Work hard. Like keep working hard till the end.
All right, best courtroom drama of Bollywood.
Pink.
Apart from that,
It will be.
Acha, seriously. Oh wow. A film of Amitabh Bachchan you can see on a repeat mode.
Piku.
Piku. Okay. What is the first cuss word that you learned and at what age?
I can't abuse in Hindi. I have major issues with that. I don't know why. It just is, I know, very weird, but probably nobody in my household, nobody used to abuse. So while growing up, I didn't. I heard it from my friends, but I could never really speak it. I don't know why.
What about Punjabi?
Punjabi also I can't. I can abuse in English. Yeah, though.
Please go
Do
ahead. Be our guest.
Be
I want to
realistic. Do it.
abuse. Yeah, but I learned it the moment you start. I mean, 8th, 9th
yeah.
class.
तो word क्या है ये तो बता दो.
I can't. You censor it.
अरे यार कुछ नहीं होगा बोलो.
नहीं
Yeah,
नहीं
it's like online actually.
Online में
No
कुछ नहीं
problem.
होता है.
No
No
problem.
censorship.
No problem.
पता है.
No censorship on online.
She won.
All right, so okay, so rapid fire with Kirti Kulari. Now you should see that. If you have to convince the audience to watch Pink in 5 words, what those words will be?
अपने लिए फिल्म मिस मत करना.
A thing about Pink that no other movie from the world cinema has.
Oh my God, that's Amitabh Bachchan.
He says all you girls.
We have mutual
मैं तो इतना वो
admiration.
नहीं- मैं तो इतना- मैं तो इतना वो नहीं हूँ, लेकिन ये है कि
society,
the
all
younger
of us.
generation they have done very well.
Andrea.
Okay.
Oh, yes, that's right.
No,
Yeah.
no other film in the world has you.
A
Yeah.
Bollywood film you think is better than many Hollywood movies combined. Which Bollywood film you feel is better than any Hollywood movie combined?
Combine.
Any Hollywood movie.
Any
that you-
Hollywood.
Yeah.
Chupke Chupke was beautiful.
What is something you know you need to stop doing?
Thinking.
Thinking. A thing Kirti is most afraid of.
Of lies.
Okay. One thing you still have from your childhood.
My parents.
You know, frankly
See?
speaking.
No, she's very good. Give.
That answer was quite impressive. Okay, so now rapid fire with Andrea. Your first reaction when you got to know you were doing a film with Amitabh Bachchan.
I had no reaction actually.
She was shaking.
I was like, when it hit me, yeah, I was shaking.
Shaking.
Okay, best Amitabh Bachchan moment during the shoot of the film. What are the best moments with Amitabh Bachchan?
Probably our first shot.
Okay, choose one Bollywood actor for following situations. Choose one Bollywood actor for following situations. A romantic date.
I don't know if you know
don't think
Bollywood,
Uncle
those
Baby.
many
Uncle
Bollywood
Baby.
actors.
He's the only one I know.
Please, you won't even know that many Bollywood actors to know that who
Asking the
she
wrong
was.
person about
Yeah.
Bollywood.
Acha, it's like that?
Yeah.
Like that.
So let's at least still try.
Yeah.
Choose one Bollywood actor for a mad dance.
Mad dance. Run-based thing.
Okay, a candlelight dinner.
She at least managed to say the name.
Candlelight dinner. No one.
No,
Yes.
reject it. Nobody.
Okay, one thing you have to have in your fridge at all times.
Juice.
One accomplishment you're most proud of.
This film.
Pink.
Pink. Yes.
Okay, not bad, not bad.
See?
Kirti one. Just say
Yeah.
it. Just
I
say
think-
it.
I think Tapsi was very good.
Yeah, just that.
देखो इतना प्यार है हम लोगों के बीच में भी लाइक तुम जीती यार तुम जीती यार.
No, but I think she's in huge demand as far as the movies are concerned. You're doing
Exactly.
you're doing Meera, I believe, which is called
Yeah.
being called the prequel of
अब
Baby.
प्रीक्वल सीक्वल और कौन सा क्वल तो वो तो जब पिक्चर बनेगी तब पता चलेगा.
She's the
but
baby.
yeah.
She's the baby.
But
She's the
yeah.
next baby.
She's,
Hey baby नहीं बोला शुक्र है.
Baby, she's the next baby.
Yeah, it's a part of the baby franchise, so I'll be doing that.
you'll be training a lot for that, and
Yeah, it's
something.
been close to 2 weeks now. I've been training for that, and 2 more weeks to go before the movie goes on floor.
Okay, and when is it releasing? Any tentative idea for that?
पहले बनने दो यार.
And Akshay Kumar is he
Yeah,
having
he's doing a cameo in that. Yes.
He's doing cameo, and Manoj Bajpayee and Prithvi Raj.
He's also there. Prithvi Raj is also there. Yes.
All right, and apart from that, you're having Barish or Chow Mein.
That's a
There's
short
like
film I
short
did
film
with
that
Tishu
you've
sir, yeah.
that you've done with Tigmanshu with Amit Saad.
Yeah.
You're also doing this film with Saqib Makhna. I believe
Yeah.
you guys have shot for it
Yeah, halfway through.
halfway through. So how's the experience of that?
Good. Yeah, this is my first typical Bollywood commercial love story.
Okay, all right, and you're having Prakash Raj's directorial debut, which is
Tadka, yes.
Tadka, opposite Ali Fazal, that
Yes.
you've already shot. She's having a hell lot of movies right now.
Listen, you didn't see much of me till now, so I guess now you'll have an overdose.
She's compensating now.
She's compensating. Okay. Anything else that you like to any other movies that you've signed
No.
maybe, and
I think these are enough for now.
that is enough for that.
Yeah,
Nothing
I
else in the
mean,
pipeline.
This year is quite full, so maybe next year जब चालू होगा तब I'll tell you.
What do you think of her performance from the promo so far? I think she looks terrific.
I look terrible.
Well, I think it's. I haven't seen Tapsi's earlier
Right.
work in both the films, Hindi films that she's done. I've not
Right.
seen any of her South Indian films. So it's the first time I sort of interacted with her. as a person, as an actor. And but I am sure I can say with full confidence, without even seeing her work, that this will be her best work ever. Not ever.
Till now.
Till today, and also for a long time to come.
Okay, and what about runningshadi.com? The man is here as well.
Yeah, ask the man.
I spoke to Amit sir as well, and he
Yeah,
was
please
like
ask the man,
really
because-
keen that movie should
the
come
man
out.
here.
Yeah, exactly. Ask the man. Let the man come. Let
It is?
the man
After this
come.
film, we're going to start working on release of this film.
Right, because even Amit was extremely excited about the movie that
We are all
कि
excited.
मैं ही लीक कर दूंगा उसको अगर
नहीं यार.
We are still excited. That's why Tapsi is working in Pink also.
Now you know why I'm
You,
looking.
yeah. Let's see after this excitement dies down or no.
okay, and what are you doing next after this?
Nothing that I'm, nothing that's finalized yet. So I'm still, I don't have too much work.
Okay, and what about you?
Same. I'm just waiting for this movie to be released, and we'll see what happens.
And you're not from Mumbai.
No, I'm from Shillong.
You're from Shillong. Okay, interesting. So how come you landed up in the movie in the first place?
How did I?
Get the movie in the first
Ah,
place. Considering
I-
that you don't know much about Bollywood either.
No.
So
I
But you do
auditioned.
know what she does, is right? Or you don't? She's a
I'm a
musician.
musician.
Acha.
So she sings and she even
She
writes
has a
a
band,
song.
yeah.
And she has a band, so she performs and she has gigs here all over in Bombay. So she was a proper musician before she came into Pink, and this is like an experimentation in all possible ways for
Yeah.
her.
And so we'll see what happens after this.
I think that's a wonderful note to end, and looking forward, I think, interacting with you guys once the movie releases, because I think that's something that even Mr. Bachchan is very
हाँ
excited
फिर आपके
about.
सवाल बहुत कम हो जाएंगे क्योंकि आपको पता चल जाएगा कि क्या फिल्म में क्या है फिर आपको बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी ना हमें बोलने की जरूरत पड़ेगी
तब की तब देखेंगे, and I hope that बहुत कुछ पूछने को हो और आपके पास बहुत कुछ बताने को भी हो.
डिस्कस करने को बहुत
Discuss
कुछ
करने
होगा.
को.
फिर हम वो
Exactly.
discuss करेंगे,
To
फिर हम
have
film discuss
have a
करेंगे.
conversation on the movie. So congratulations for all the, I think, the excitement that you guys are sharing,
Thank you.
because one can get a vibe around a film from how much excited the star cast is actually.
Yes.
In many cases. So all the best for the movie, and
Thank you.
all the best wishes for all the future ventures as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.